Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing good. This is Shamu and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my earrings collection. It's not a very big collection, but I definitely wanted to share it with you. And I got these earrings from different places, like few from Vizag, few from Chennai and few from Delhi. And I also got few from online as well. And I don't exactly remember the prices of all the earrings, so I'll definitely try to put the in-between price. And for the earrings I bought from online, I'll do try to put the links in the description box. So if you like them, do check them out. Let's get started with my favorite earrings. I got them from Vizag. They are very traditional and even the quality is pretty much good. They are for about 50 to 60 rupees I think. You can see how good they look and are perfect for churidars and saris as well. Every girl definitely has Jhumkhas because they just look beautiful on anyone. Next are these cute silver earrings. I got them from Delhi. They are for about 50 rupees or something. I do have a lot of silver jewelry collection and you will be seeing most of them in this video. They are my favorite and they're so different. They are ear cuffs or something with cute little pearls in the bottom. I got this from Amazon and they look stylish and pretty as well. If you love to try different styles, then do try them out. There are plenty other models as well in pink and green stones and many more. I personally like these butterfly studs. Rose gold butterfly studs. They are very pretty and simple as well. I got them from Amazon and you can also get them if you really like it. These silver hangings are beautiful and they do not even cost that much. They're just around 30 to 40 rupees I guess. I got them from an exhibition in my city. They also look so good in pictures with the stone flower and everything. You rarely see this combination in silver, stones and silver. So yeah, I really like them and this is how they look on me when I wear. Here are another silver mirror earrings with cute little kundans and here are the gold ones. I like these earrings so much that I got them in gold color as well. They are for about 60 rupees. I should definitely say they are totally worth it, very elegant and traditional to wear. Here are some huge earrings. The most heaviest earrings I ever have. The combination is so cool with the blues and I dream to wear them on a blue sari. Hope I could style them up soon. And these earrings are just for 100 rupees. And for that price, I think they look so great. Now I definitely regret not buying them in pastel pink color as well. While these little acrylic jhumkas are my next favorite. I got them from Chennai in Tea Bazaar. If you know Chennai and Tea Bazaar, it's like the most famous bazaar where you get all kind of stuff, earrings, jewelry and clothes as well. So I got them from a local store in Tea Bazaar. They look so damn cute with those white beads and colorful base and can go easily with any Indian outfit. They're just for about 60 to 65 rupees. These earrings are also from Chennai Tea Bazaar. These are the most worn earrings in my pictures, videos or daily wear. I really like them. They look so cute, very lightweight and the rose gold butterfly earrings are always my favorite. They're for about 165 rupees. But the quality is so good that the color didn't worn off and it's still perfect like how it was when I bought them. These are another different type of earrings. I got them from Shein. Very stylish and cute. You can use them for both traditional and western outfits as well. These are a cool pair of silver earrings. It has stars and everything. They keep on dangling and it's just so nice and happy to see them. I got them from Ajmer. I don't remember the price exactly, but they may be around 60 to 70 rupees. These hoop earrings are from Vizag and I love the diamond shaped hangings. They add the grand look to the earring. They are perfect for parties. I guess most of the girls have this pair of earrings. You can find them anywhere. I bought them from Vizag. They are just for around 40 rupees. Well, the colorful bead earrings are so damn adorable. I really like them. They give such a good look on you when you wear them. I do want to style them with nice outfit like white kurti or something. Hopefully I will be doing it and I will definitely share the pictures with you if I do it. Here are cute Afghan silver earrings. They're simple but beautiful. I really like the way they look when I wear them. They're decent and they're even not that heavy. I usually wear them on daily basis, so I really like them. These are some funky feather earrings. I got them from a local exhibition. You can also find them online as well. I got in two colors, silver and gold. They look kind of different and stylish. Also, they are very lightweight. I love the combination of mirror and jhumkhas in silver earrings. It also has these cute little white beads and I got them from Delhi or Vizag. I don't exactly remember, but I think they are very good. These Afghan earrings are big and next heaviest earrings I have. Do watch my other videos as well. I make lot of DIY videos, DIY earrings, jewelry and many more. Do check them out. You might really like them as well. These earrings are so trendy and different. I rarely find these kind of designs online or in any stores. I really like the way they look. My mom got these earrings and the design doesn't look heavy, but trust me, these are the heaviest again. I don't know, maybe the spring design or something, but I do believe that they are very heavy for the way they look. I'm going to show you few more earrings I have. These earrings are from Ajmer. Aren't they super cute? And these are from Shein. I got long back ago, but I never had a chance to wear them. And finally, the star earrings are also from Shein. I did wear them few times and they are nice. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment down your favorite earrings as well. Until then, meet you in my next video.